In this lecture, we're gonna show how we can add appearance to our model. So here we have this model, and now we wanna add different appearances to our model. To do that, we can go here, and here we can choose Appearances, Scenes, and Decals. So let's click here. And here we have appearances. Let's open this. And here we have different materials: plastic, metal, painted, glass, solid, organic, stone, and so on. And now, for example, let's go with plastic. Let's open plastic. And here we have some options. We can go with high gloss, medium gloss, low gloss, soft touch, clear plastic, and so on. We're gonna go with medium gloss. And here we have different colors that we can choose. So we have white medium gloss plastic. Here we have cream medium gloss plastic. Here we have a red, black, blue, green, yellow, and so on. And now, for example, we want to add a blue color. We can just click here on this blue color. We can drag this and we can put it on the face where we want to apply this. So let's just release click here. And now here we have some options. We can apply this to face. Now we can see the preview. We can apply this to boss extrude. We can apply this to body, or we can apply this to the whole model. So we're gonna go here with body like this. And let's click here. And now here we have a blue color like this. So this is the first way how you can apply appearance. You can also, for example, apply appearance like this. Now you can select first a faces on which you want to apply appearance. For example, we want to apply appearance to this face. Let's hold Ctrl and then select this face, this face, this face. Let's rotate this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And now we can go here and we can just double click, for example, on the white like this. And now here we have a white. So this is the second way. The third way, that we can go to Feature Manager Design Tree. And for example, let's go to, let's see, Boss Extrude, this one. So this text here. And now you select this. And now you can go here and you can just double click here. And now we can see that here we have a text white. The same thing we can do with this text here. As you can see, this one, this is Boss Extrude 10, like this. Double click, white. Also here we have a text. Let's choose this text. This is, let's see. This is Boss Extrude 11, like this. Let's go double click. And now here we have a white. So this is how you can add appearance. And now, for example, you don't like this white here, you can just click on this face. You can go here and you can just double click here, and now we have a red. So you can add different colors to the same face, but the color that you will see is the last color that you applied. Here also we have some different materials. Let's go with metal, like this. Let's go with bronze, like this. Now let's choose this one. This is Boss Extrude 5, like this. And let's double click on the polished bronze, like this. And now we got this result. And now, for example, if you want to remove some appearance or you want to edit some appearance, you can go here to Display Manager, like this. So here we have the list of all appearances that we add: blue, white, red, polished bronze. If we click here on the blue, we can see on which face, on which feature we applied this color. As well, you can see on which we applied a white one, red one, and polished bronze, like this. And now, for example, we don't like polished bronze. We can go here, we can edit appearance. So let's click edit, like this. And now here we have some options. Here we can choose a different color. For example, we can have a bronze, but we can go with yellow, like this. Although we apply bronze, we choose a yellow color here, and we can just click OK. And now here we have a yellow. If, for example, if we want to remove some appearance, we can just right click here, and we can go here, remove appearance. And now the appearance is gone. So this is the procedure how you can apply different appearances to your solid model.